Welcome to Canada Immigration Matters, where we provide the latest and most reliable updates on Canadian immigration. Today, we'll be covering major changes to Canada's immigration system for 2024 and looking ahead to 2025. Whether you're an aspiring immigrant, an international student, or already on your Canadian journey, this video is packed with crucial insights. So let's dive right in. Breaking down Canada's immigration changes step by step. Canada's immigration system is undergoing some of its biggest updates yet, and there's a clear vision behind it. The federal government's goal is to welcome 1.5 million immigrants by 2025. This is driven by Canada's need to address labor shortages and aging demographics while maintaining its global competitiveness. The focus for 2024 to 2025 includes expanding economic immigration, streamlining family reunification, and increasing humanitarian efforts. Let's start with the economic immigration stream, which accounts for about 65% of all newcomers. Here are the big updates. Express Entry enhancements. The Canada Express Entry program remains the primary pathway for skilled immigrants. In 2024, IRCC introduced targeted draws for specific sectors like healthcare, technology, and skilled trades. These sector-specific draws aim to fill critical gaps in Canada's workforce. Provincial Nominee Programs, PNPs. Provinces like Alberta, British Columbia, and Ontario have increased their nomination quotas. These programs allow provinces to directly select immigrants with the skills they need the most. New pathways for tech workers and startups. Canada has also launched initiatives like the Tech Talent Strategy, targeting global tech workers and entrepreneurs. If you're in IT, AI, or software development, this is your moment. Updates for international students and work permits. Next, let's talk about international students and work permits, two areas with big changes in 2024. Study permit caps. To address housing shortages, IRCC has announced a cap on study permits in areas with limited housing availability. This policy aims to balance the influx of international students with sustainable development. 2. Extended work hours. On the bright side, students can now work up to 24 hours per week off campus while studying. This policy gives students more financial independence and work experience opportunities. Post-graduation work permit, PGWP extensions. In 2024, IRCC extended the eligibility for PGWP renewals, allowing more graduates to gain Canadian work experience and qualify for permanent residency. Family reunification policies. Family reunification remains a key priority for Canada. Here's what's new. Faster processing times. IRCC has reduced processing times for spousal sponsorships and parental sponsorships. Spousal sponsorships are now processed in under 12 months on average. New pathways for caregivers. Canada is also expanding caregiver programs, allowing more families to bring their loved ones here under specific visa categories. Looking ahead to 2025, Canada's immigration system is set to hit major milestones. Record high targets. Canada aims to welcome over 500,000 immigrants in 2025, with an emphasis on economic class immigrants. This includes higher quotas for express entry and PNP streams. Digital transformation of IRCC services. By 2025, IRCC plans to fully digitize application systems, reducing processing delays and improving transparency for applicants. 3. New family sponsorship pilot programs. IRCC is exploring pilot programs that make it easier for families to sponsor relatives, including siblings and extended family members. Challenges and opportunities. Of course, these changes come with challenges. Let's discuss some key obstacles and how you can navigate them. Housing shortages, increased CRS competition, navigating regional programs. Despite these challenges, Canada remains one of the most welcoming countries for immigrants. With careful planning, you can successfully achieve your Canadian dream. Reach out to Chugo Immigration Services for assistance with all your Canada immigration applications. We are regulated Canadian immigration consultants. That's all for today's update. We hope this breakdown helped you understand what's happening with Canadian immigration in 2024 and beyond. Remember to like this video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more updates. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.